Do you want to achieve financial freedom in 2024? Picture a world where your money works for you, not the other way around. That's financial freedom, a crucial part of anyone's life. In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of setting and achieving financial goals. We'll cover the whys, the hows, and the whats, paving the way for you to take charge. So buckle up, because it's time to take control of your finances and make 2024 your year of financial freedom. Why should you set financial goals, you might ask? Well, imagine sailing a ship without a destination. You'd be tossed about by the waves, at the mercy of the wind, with no clear direction. That's what your financial journey could look like without clear goals. Setting financial goals is like having a map and a compass in your financial journey. It gives you a clear direction and helps you navigate through the stormy seas of financial uncertainty. It's the cornerstone of financial planning, laying the groundwork for budgeting, savings, and investments. Having clear financial goals can also help you stay focused and motivated. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or building an emergency fund, each goal you set and achieve brings you one step closer to financial independence. Therefore, setting financial goals is the first step towards financial independence. So how do you set financial goals? Well, it's not as daunting as you might think. It's all about breaking it down into manageable steps. First, you need to identify your financial objectives. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with my finances? Maybe you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off student loans, or build an emergency fund. These are all valid financial objectives. Once you have identified your objectives, the next step is to be realistic in setting your goals. It's great to aim high, but your goals also need to be achievable. You wouldn't set a goal to save $1 million in a year if you're earning $25,000, would you? Of course not. Your goals should reflect your income, your expenses, and your lifestyle. Now, here's a crucial part. When setting financial goals, it's essential to set both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals could be anything from saving for a vacation to paying off a small debt. These are goals you aim to achieve in a year or less. Long-term goals, on the other hand, are more substantial and require a longer time horizon. This could be saving for retirement, buying a house, or setting up a college fund for your kids. Short-term goals are like stepping stones. They help you build financial discipline and give you a sense of achievement that keeps you motivated towards your long-term goals. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your financial empire be. And one last thing, always write down your goals. Seeing them in black and white makes them real and tangible. It's a constant reminder of what you're working towards. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish, so plan wisely. Take the time to set your financial goals, be realistic in your aspirations, and remember to balance short-term achievements with long-term objectives. It's the surest way to financial success and freedom. You have your goals, now what? Well, you're not alone if you're asking that question. It's one thing to have financial goals and another to work towards achieving them, but don't fret, we've got some strategies and habits that can help you on this journey. First off, budgeting. It's like a roadmap for your money. It helps you understand where your money is going, and more importantly, it keeps you in control. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and areas where you might need to allocate more funds. Remember, every dollar has a job. Make sure it's doing what it's supposed to. Next, saving. The old adage, a penny saved is a penny earned, still holds true. Start small if you have to, but start. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings. And remember to save for both short-term and long-term goals. You'll thank yourself later. Then we have investing. Now, investing might sound like a game for the rich, but it's actually a powerful tool for building wealth. Start by educating yourself about different investment options. It could be stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. The key is to diversify your investments and not put all your eggs in one basket. Lastly, don't forget to monitor your progress regularly. This is a crucial step that often gets neglected. Regular check-ins can help you stay on track, make necessary adjustments, and most importantly, celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Use tools and apps that can help you track your financial progress. And remember, achieving your financial goals won't happen overnight. It's a process, a journey. There will be ups and downs, triumphs and setbacks, but stay committed to your financial plan. Keep moving forward one step at a time. Achieving financial freedom is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay committed to your financial plan. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed. We've taken a journey together, diving deep into the world of financial goals in 2024. We've explored why it's crucial to set these financial targets. Remember, they're not just numbers on a piece of paper, they're the building blocks of your financial freedom. We've walked through the process of setting these goals. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about identifying what's important to you, what you want your money to accomplish. Whether it's saving for a house, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, your goals are unique to you, but setting goals is just the first step. We've also discussed the importance of working towards them. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Consistency is key. Small, regular investments in your financial future can lead to big rewards. It's about making smart decisions, being disciplined, and staying focused on your end game. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about having money, it's about having choices. It's about being able to live the life you want without financial stress holding you back. So, are you ready to make 2024 your year of financial freedom? Start today and make your financial dreams a reality.